If you tell me to do good, then I'll be right there. Think I'll come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years.
So right now we got Lamore, you know what I'm saying? My G Lamore. Quick voiceover. I don't even lie, I'm being stressed though, man. FIFA's been stressing me out. My record's 7-7. It's been a poor weekend. Like, I don't even know what to do anymore, man. I might just give up. Bro, what's Lamore doing with the eyebrow? Oh, I like that, you know. She made that tick. Bro, what did she do to that? Okay, it's the brush. I won't lie, I see a lot of girls doing this though, man. It bangs. Girls just look so peng with this eyebrow thing they're doing, man.
The eyebrows are one of the most important features that women can either get wrong or right, you know what I mean? So you have to be careful, because some people look like they have giant slugs on them forehead.
You know what I mean? Sometimes you can smile to the camera. You know what I mean? Don't be shy, girl. You can smile. There we go. Just keep.
One eternity later.
Yo, do the other side. Oh, the other side needs hella ticking in that, but you gotta keep brushing that for at least 2 to 3 hours. The other eyebrow's looking hella skinny right now, man. Damn. What's going on with that, man? There we go. Okay, she's got the brush right now, so she's just touching the edges. What's she doing? She's touching the edges, or? Yeah, she's touching. Okay, so she's drawing on it. That is mad, fam. Nah, this is crazy. This is a madness, fam. That's it. Take your time, though, man, because that needs to be on point. Do you know what I mean? Okay, now she's doing the edges. Yeah, make that tick, man. Add more color to that, man. Add more color to that. It needs more color to that. Do you know what I mean?
So if you're wondering why the girl's taking all day, this is the reason why, man. The majority of the time is getting the eyebrows right, because some people can flip in, start all over again. I'm not feeling it. No, it's not. No, it's not right. I have to start all over again and take even more time. So if you're wondering why they always take so long, it's the eyebrows. You know what I mean? And also, makeup is an art form, but with a human model. You know, it's a very delicate process.
Got the color. I think it's color. I think they call it. What do they call it? Is it color? That brown thing that she's using. Mate, this is some serious art attack, you know. Look at the text she's using on that. I won't lie, to do something like this shit, you gotta be very, very good, man. It's not easy. I can't do this to my face.
Doing them borders, like UK border force. Hey. Right. It's all about attention to detail. The little things can really, you know, build up towards a big masterpiece. You know what I mean?
Sis, what is you doing? This is not cute.
Oh, I believe it's the highlighter. Okay. Just have it on quick. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? We lost? Still there? You found it? Alright, she found it. Okay. Yeah, just throw it in. Doesn't really matter where it goes, just gotta go on. We'll, you know, I know
the powder thing they use to change the color of the face. Change the color of the face. Yeah, you see, I knew it. She's come to look white. Powder it. Powder that face. Do you know what I mean? Take your time with it. Get the forehead. Get why do you just use cream? Like cocoa butter does the job. Do you know what I mean? Cocoa butter. Bro, what did that spray do? Was that water? That looked like water, you know. Why is she spraying water on the face?
Rain on the water from the Himalayan mountains.
Yeah, you see, he's burning you. Who forced you? Who forced you, girl? Who forced you? You could have been staying at home, but you want to go out. That say Boris or Born. Born what though? Fam, all these products you lot use, yeah, this is mad. Damn, what's that do though? That might add a bit more colour to the face. I think is that what it is?
Oh, we're coming off a bit. Hope no one saw that. Right, now blending in, mate. Gotta do Blend it in. It may look quick, but she looks like she's a veteran. She knows what she's doing. She's been in this game for years. She's doing a clockwise motion. That's very important.
It is. Do you not leave the ears as well? Oh, okay, she's got the brush. Oh, that's what that does. Okay. Oh, you see the difference? Oh, yeah. She's looking. Okay. I see what she did. I see what she did. She wants to go out. She wants to get waved. She wants to get licked. She's going all out. But she needs to be careful though. Corona. Corona's live. Corona. Hey, this Corona thing's a madness. Okay, don't forget the forehead. Do you know what I mean? The forehead, you need to get that as well. Get all of that in there. Yeah, you see? She listened to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Always listen to your guy. You get me?
That is the lip gloss. The gloss. No, I'm wrong. I'm completely wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. I think it's more highlighter again. Damn. It's like painting a house, man. So many layers. Oh, you need to have it. Look at that formation. Look at the symmetry. Like I said, it is an art form. Oof. Perfecto. Right up on the eyelid, you know. What's mad is that girls do all of this every single time they want to go out and look nice. It's just so long.
Kind of makes sense why girls hate taking off their makeup, man. It's a myth. You do all of this and you have a shit night. Imagine that you do all of this, you go to a club and no guy still chat to you. That's a myth. I'll be vexed. I think she's padding it, you know. I think she's adding the finishing touches. Oh, this was very quick, man. Okay. But you see this thing there? Imagine doing all of this and it's a hot summer day. You're sweating it out, mate. This is a mazzo, man. Eyebrows though, man. I can't stop talking about them eyebrows. Them eyebrows looking sharp. Hey, what about the lips though? You're not gonna powder your lips as well? This powder thing is a mazzo. I won't even lie. This thing here, very, very key, man.
Layers again. It's gonna make the face pop. You understand? Then blend it in. Yes, queen. Okay. Look at that. It's coming together now. It's coming together.
To add more color, this girl's moving mad. It's enough. What the hell? What is this? I told you. Remember I said in the beginning, she wants to look white. That's the goal. She wants to look white. I deeped it. And you see how she never forgets the moustache area? She tries to get all of them in. Oh, what's that glue? What's that? Wait, what is that, bro? What is that, mate? Might be for the lips. Is it for the lips? No. Oh, look at me. I'm way off for the lips, you know. She's adding more color to it. Damn, mad. Okay. We're not gonna add a bit more. Oh, okay. She's adding more. What is that? Contour? What do they call it, man? Nah, it can't be contour. I'm baffed. Contour, you know. Let's just call it color, man. Padding, come on. Yeah, man, keep padding that face. Keep doing it. Keep touching your face, you know. Okay, I see what she's doing here. Okay, raw. You're really in a rush, innit? Be careful of the eyes, you know. Okay, yeah, got the edges there. Then it in, blend that in like the blender. She's blending that in, boy. Oh, okay, raw. She's looking, ooh. So I think after this she must be finished, man. Do you know what I mean? She's done a lot to her face, man. The face is tired. Okay, keep brushing that, you know. Keep brushing that. Brush your eyes as well. Be careful though. We're not trying to get blind. Specsavers on the open due to Corona. Oh, she's come to do the real art attack, boy. Look at all the colours. You got all the colours there. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Eyeshadow. Oof, take time for your eye, you know. Man, you poke it out.
Rah, that thing there. I won't lie, this thing there, I'm not really a fan of it. Do you know what I mean? But they look nice though. I won't lie, they look nice, but I'm not really a fan of it, man. But a couple man them like it though. A couple guys that I know. What's that say? Slick. Alright, spraying this off again. Hey, it's mad. Yep, let it burn. It's gonna burn you. Yep, see, it's burning her. She doesn't listen. She's done her eyelashes. I think so. She's looking for a brush. Damn, how many brushes you got, girl? You got. But yeah, man, them eyelashes. I'm telling you, it needs to look on point. Watch, you see the difference in it. When she puts it on, you see how nice she's looking. The lips though, you're not gonna do the lips either. Yep, got the pencil. Okay, yep, here comes the drawing. Yep, draw on that. There we go. There we go. Yep. Okay, that thing to do with the pencil, yeah, too key, man. That thing to do with the lips, it's needed. You know what I'm saying? So when the man them are kissing you, they feel it, you know what I mean? So, well, like, I feel like you're done now though, man. Do you know what I mean? Now it's just to sort the hair. Yeah, you see, she listened to me. Remember earlier on I said the hair was looking a bit peak. Sometimes not all about the face, you know. Do the hair as well, man. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, brush that. There we go.
One eternity later.
Still, come on. But you look good. 10 out of 10, girl. I see what you're doing. Lovely, lovely stuff. Unbelievable, Jeff.